We're in the middle of tax season, and with it, many people may feel overwhelmed with filing accurate tax returns. But there's something important to keep in mind.
There's a lot of misinformation out there when it comes to filing taxes. With this in mind, I spoke with Alejandra Castro, spokesperson for the IRS, about some of the most common myths and what the facts truly are when it comes to filing taxes.
Myth number 1. Taxpayers don't need to report income if they didn't receive a form this year. Is this true?
All income, regardless of whether a payer issues them a 1099, is taxable unless if it's specifically excluded by law. So it is a taxpayer's responsibility to record all income, whether it comes from a W-2, from a 1099, from the gig economy. All income is taxable.
Myth number 2, if a taxpayer requests an extension, they don't need to do anything until October. Is this true?
Okay, so it's very important to clarify that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. So basically, an extension to file gives you 6 more months to file your documents with the IRS. If you pay taxes all year round and you don't owe any money, then technically you don't have to do anything until October. However, if you have not paid your taxes, you have to pay taxes by the due date, April 15th. There are no exceptions. If a taxpayer cannot pay all of the taxes owed, I would recommend they pay as much as possible and they set up a payment plan with the IRS.
Myth number 3, calling or visiting the IRS in person is the best way to speed up a refund. Is this true?
No, it's not. The best way to find out information about a tax refund is using the Where's My Refund app. Visiting a taxpayer assistance center does not speed up your refund. However, if a taxpayer has any doubts about where their tax return is in the process, if it's been a long time that it seems to the taxpayer that something can be wrong, then they definitely should call the IRS or set up an appointment to go to one of these taxpayer assistance centers.
So there you have it, the truth behind some of the most common tax myths and misconceptions. With the tax filing deadline right around the corner, be sure to visit irs.gov and NBCNewYork.com for more tax information. Reporting for NBC New York, this is Jennifer Vasquez.